So hello everyone. Today we see some more problems in chemical equilibrium. Okay. Here the 2 moles of nitrogen is mixed with 6 moles of hydrogen in a closed vessel of 1 liter value capacity. So here is given 50% of nitrogen is converted to ammonia at equilibrium. So the value of Kc for the reaction. So it's So what is the reaction? We know that N2 reacted with hydrogen. N2H2 gives rise to NH3. We know all are gases. And what are the Kc value? In terms of concentration, NH3 squared by N2 power 1. H2 power cube. So first, what is the initial concentrations? First in terms of moles తీసుకుందాం, తర్వాత మనం కాన్సంట్రేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, వి నో దట్ 1 లీటర్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇక్కడ ఇట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ 1 లీటర్. సో మనకి కాన్సంట్రేషన్ అంటే మోల్స్ పర్ లీటర్ తీసుకుంటాం. అది 1 లీటర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇట్స్ నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇనిషియల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్? హియర్ 2 moles reacted given, it is 6 moles. Now at the initial position there is no products are there. So at equilibrium, the question is find out the equilibrium constant, mean nothing but at equilibrium how much reaction is completed. The 50% of N2 is involved in the reaction. So first we are taking in terms of x lo తీసుకుందాం. Okay, so let's see, 2 minus x, 6 minus x, so 3 moles కాబట్టి 6 minus 3x, ఇక్కడ x, so 2 moles కాబట్టి 2x. Okay, but here what is x? So x is given as a 50% of N2. 50% of N2 converted into NH3. So ante ippudu x equal to 2 lo 50%. Okay, so it's a 50%. Okay, also 1. Okay, here we got x equal to 1. So therefore what is the concentration of NH3 concentration? What is NH3 concentration is 1. Next, what about this? So only 50% కాబట్టి simple మనకి 2 moles, so simple 1 mole. So 2 minus 1, at last we will get here 1. Here 6 minus x value 1, so finally we will get 3. Here 2x, 2 into 1 is 2. Now substituting this, so NH3 square, so NH3 is a 2. It's a volume 2. It's actually the number of moles. Concentration up to moles per liter. Moles per volume తీసుకోవాలి. 2 by volume 1 liter కాబట్టి there is no problem. So 2 square by how much? N2. N2 next. What is H2? 3 cube. Okay. So the Kc is equal to 4 by 27. Just here. Actually the options are given in terms of 4 by 27. Okay, but just finding the 50% is only the important. Okay, see the second one. So for a given reaction, H2 plus CO2 gives CO plus H2. So all are in the form of gaseous state. If the initial concentration of H2 is equal to CO2, okay, and x moles per liter of H2 is consumed. So in this problem మనకు percentage ఇవ్వలేదు. So ఇచ్చిన clue ఏంటంటే H2 concentration is equal to CO2 concentration, and how much concentration is reduced at equilibrium అంటే, so x moles per liter of concentration of hydrogen is consumed. Consumed means is undergone a reaction. So find the Kp. So actually it should be find the Kc, not Kp. So find the Kc in terms of x. So write the reaction. So normal method you can do H2 all are in the form of in physical state gases. So what are the initial concentrations? We know that the initial concentration not particularly it is given, but it is given these two are in equal concentration. Just take it as a 1 1. You can take 100 also. So what is the concentration at equilibrium? So at equilibrium, how much is reduced? 1 minus x moles of hydrogen is reduced, consumed. Consumed means the x moles per liter concentration is went into reaction. So in 1 minus x, it is also exactly 1 minus x because 1 mole kabatti. So I'll let the form of the x, same 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole, simple. So now write the Kc. Okay, so Kc is a normal problem. Just taking the concentrations only, the important one. So there is no numerical value is asked, only we have to calculate in terms of x. So therefore x square by 1 minus x square. So this is a Kc value in terms of x. Okay, see the third one. So it is given that 2 moles of phosphorus pentachloride is heated in a closed vessel of a 2 liter capacity. 2 moles of PCl5 in 2 liter. So it is given the information that at equilibrium 40%. So 40% has been dissociated. So I have to find the Kc in terms of moles per decimeter cube. So decimeter cube nothing but liters, nothing but moles per liter. Okay. So write the reaction. So we know the dissociation of PCl5 gives phosphorus trichloride plus chlorine, all are gases. So what is the initial? We are taking initial moles, okay. We are not taking the concentration, we are taking the initial number of moles, 2 moles and they are 0 moles. So what is at equilibrium? So at equilibrium we can say there is a 2 minus x, x. Okay, it's a general writing. So, but what is x? How much? What is the value of x? It is a 40% is dissociated. So 40% dissociated means so here we can 40% given 2 moles. See, 2 moles of 40% reactant. So how much reacted? That is so 0.8 moles. Okay, 0.8 moles is reacted. 0.8 moles means here x equals 0.8. The x value మనకి 0.8 because starting లో 40% dissociate అయింది. ఆ dissociate అయిన part మనం x తీసుకున్నాం. So x equal ఏమి ఇచ్చిండు 40%. So it is we can write 2 minus 0.8. x అంటే 1 mole 1x కాబట్టి 0.8. Here 1 mole 1x, that is 0.8. So now substitute, just write the Kc. So what is the Kc? Cl2 concentration, PCl3 concentration by PCl5 concentration. Then no powers are there. So Cl2 concentration how much? 0.8. Actually it is moles manaki. So last problem lo, I think in the first problem it is only 1 liter. So kabatti moles per liter no problem. Ikkada concentration ki manaki 0.8 moles per liter. So how many liters are there? 2 liters. 2 liters vessel kabatti we have to take 0.8 by 2. So again Cl2 PCl3 also same 0.8 by 2. So by PCl5 concentration 2 minus 0.8, it's 1.2. Okay, 1.2. It is also 2 liters. Okay, so on the total calculation we will get So therefore Kc equal to, so 1 2 get cancelled. Here 0.8 0.8 will get 0.64 by 2.4. Okay, so on overall calculation we will get 0.266 moles per liter. So it is 1 moles per liter, moles per liter, moles per liter. So 1 moles per liter, 1 moles per liter cancel away, so remaining moles per liter. Liter nothing but decimeter cube, both are equal. Okay, decimeter nothing but 1 liter. Okay, numerically those are having same values. Okay, see, so there is a hypothetical reaction is given, A plus B gives rise to C plus D. If initially the concentration of A and B are equal, so both are equal in the initial position, so but at equilibrium the concentration of D will be twice that of A. So మనకి ఇక్కడ ప్రతిసారి X వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్ డికంపోజ్ అయింది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి, నథింగ్ బట్ కేసీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి దేర్ విల్ బి క్లూ విల్ బి గివెన్. సో కొంచెం 40% 50% ఏదో క్లూ ఇస్తాడు. దీంట్లో ఇచ్చిన క్లూ ఏంటంటే the concentration of at equilibrium the concentration of D is twice to that of A. So with the help of that we are able to calculate Kc. So first write the reaction. A plus B gives rise to C plus D. So what are the initial condition? Initial both are equal moles. Just take as a, we can take 1 mole and 1 mole. Okay, so both are equal. So take it as 1 mole 1 mole. Okay, 0. Next, what is at equilibrium? So at equilibrium, so general in normal way we can write 1 minus x, 1 minus x, x and x. Okay, so generally we used to write like this at equilibrium position. So it is clue is given that at equilibrium the concentration of D is twice to that of A. And what is the value of x? X is equal to twice of that concentration of A. So given that at equilibrium the concentration of D is twice to that of A. So therefore we can write so what we can write, x equal to 1 minus x. So finally we will get how much? So in the place of x we can write 1 minus x. Sorry, it is twice అన్నది కదా. So the concentration of A ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది. Sorry, 1 minus x ఉంది. It is 2 into 1 minus x. So that is x equal to nothing but simply with the help of this we can get a relation that 1 minus x equal to what? 1 minus x equal x by 2. 1 minus x equal x by 2 means in the place of 1 minus x we can write x by 2. Okay, now so therefore what is the Kc? So concentration of C, concentration of D. By concentration of A and the concentration of B. So here Kc equals, so what we can write? So x. Concentration of D is x. సో జస్ట్ మనకి ఆ ట్వైస్ అని ఇచ్చింది ఏంటంటే జస్ట్ టు గెట్ ఏ రిలేషన్. ఓకే, సో ఎక్స్ ఎక్స్ by 1 minus x. So 1 minus equal how much you got? 1 minus x equal x by 2. So you got this with the help of this clue that given that the concentration of D is twice to that of A, that basis we got a 1 minus x equal x by 2. Again here also 1 minus x by 2. So in the 1 minus x calculation law, we don't get any numerical value. Okay. So here x is to cancel, it become 4. So the Kc value for it is 4. Okay. Just we need to understand. So what is the clue given to calculate Kc? Okay. So see one more problem. So actually it is a totally different problem as we done in all classes. Okay, it is only one total different model when compared to the other examples. Okay, so here it is a total different. So here 15 moles of H2, just 5.2 moles of iodine are mixed and allowed to get equilibrium at 500 degrees Celsius. So at equilibrium the concentration of Hi is found to be 10 moles. అంటే మనకి ఈక్విలిబ్రియం దగ్గర number percentage clue ఇవ్వలే, any relation ఇవ్వలే, డైరెక్ట్ గా the details given about product. So product details ఇచ్చారు మనకి. There is a 10 moles of Hi is observed at equilibrium. So then what is the equilibrium constant? So with the help of product, అంటే ఇప్పుడు product base చేసుకుని మనకి concentrations of reactants at equilibrium find out చేయాలి. Okay. So what is the reaction? You know that it's a formation of Hi. Formation of Hi means H2 plus I2 forming Hi. So what are the initial conditions? At initial condition, here it is taken 15 moles, here it is taken 5.2 moles. Okay. So next, so what is at equilibrium condition? So this step is very important. So first normal gas, then normal we use it to write x. So 15 minus x. So this is 5.2 minus x. That's here formation of x. Here x 1 mole of x, 1 mole of x. You can any moles of x form 2 moles of x. So first normal the total minus x plus x రాయండి. ఎన్ని మోల్స్ ఉంటే అన్ని మోల్స్ కంపల్సరీగా న్యూమరికల్ నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాసెస్. అయితే ఇక్కడ సో హౌ టు గెట్ యాక్చువల్గా మన కేసీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు నో ద ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూకి క్లూ ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే the product the Hi formed at equilibrium is equal to 10 ఇచ్చిండు. So we can write given that at equilibrium the concentration of Hi is 10 moles. So at equilibrium the concentration of Hi is given as 10. So Hi equal 10 ఇచ్చిందంటే so normal in the general procedure we took the Hi is equal to 2x, means the clue is 2x equal to 10. So therefore x equal 5. We got the x value. So now substitute here. So what is the Kc? Kc value, we know the Hi square by H2 and I2, all are powers 1 only. So Ha. So what is the Ha? It is given exactly 10, no problem, 10 square. By what is H2 concentration? H2 concentration is 15 minus 5. So what is I2 concentration? 5.2 minus 5. So like this, so we get the X concentration. So finally we will get 50. Okay. Okay. So this is in all problems. Just what we have to check is, so how to find out the x value with the help of a given detail. So on the basis we are able to calculate the Kc value. Okay, see the one more problem. The HA was heated in a sealed tube or nothing but sealed container. So at 400 degrees Celsius, still equilibrium was achieved. So here HA was found to be 22% nothing but decomposes. Simply here the clue is given 22%. Okay. So what is the reaction? The reaction is the dissociation of HI. So dissociation of HI, we know that 2HI gives rise to H2 plus I2. We know all our gases. So what are the initial conditions? So there is no separate thing is given. So actually HA was found to be 22% decomposed 100. So the initial one 100 తీసుకోవచ్చు, or we can take 1. So percentage number 1 or 100 taking is the better one. Okay. So here it is 1 mole and it is 0 moles. So what is that equilibrium? So equilibrium, we know the general how you write. So 1 minus x. Next we convert, we take in terms of moles. Here how many moles are there? 1 mole. Here also 1 mole. Here 1 mole. How many moles? 2 moles. So here we can write 1 minus 2x. And sometimes it is also given that 1 minus x, this is x by 2. But normal one of starting with method follow, we are following this only. Okay. So now, so what is here 2x? So actually 2x equal to how much? That is 22% of 1. Okay. So there is what is the 2x value is so 1 lo 22%. So therefore 2x equals 0.22. Okay, 0.22, and here x equal we will get x equal to 0.11. So now with the help of this we are able to calculate the Kc. Okay. So x equal to, so now we can write so dissociation కాబట్టి we can write the Kc, or we can write K, the products H2 I2 by HI concentration. Therefore so Kc is equal to so x into x, so nothing but x into x. But what is the HI concentration square? So what was the HA concentration? That is 1 minus 2x whole square. So therefore, so what is the Kc equal to, so what is the x value? 0.11 into 0.11. So by, so 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 0.22. 1 minus 0.22 will get so 0.78 square, 0.7878. So on overall calculation, so finally we will get the Kc is equal to 0.02. Okay, so these are the different models in chemical equilibrium. Okay, mainly different problems. So tomorrow we see the next topic. Actually మనం maximum చాలా number of problems చేయొచ్చు, but all are just different in some values, just some points లోనే difference ఉంటుంది. But you have to do that other examples given in the practice papers or I think worksheet. Okay, tomorrow we start the new topic. So that's also in chemical equilibrium, but that's totally the extra part in the chemical equilibrium. So we can say that was the major part in the chemical equilibrium. Okay, so try to practice the total problems, sir. So not only today's topic, so try to practice the yesterday's and last 2 days problems. Okay.